Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss set 1 of slot 2 of reasoning section CAT 2020 paper. The question is 25 colored beads are to be arranged in a grid comprising of 5 rows and 5 columns. Each cell in the grid must contain exactly one bead. Each bead is colored either red, blue or green. While arranging the beads along any of the 5 rows or along any of the 5 columns, the rules given below are to be followed. So there are certain rules. First rule is two adjacent beads along the same row or column are always of different color. So let us try to understand this rule. So suppose in first place, in first row and first column, we have red color bead. The second cannot be red, or in this particular row, it cannot be red again. Fine. So this is the first rule. The color of two adjacent bead cannot be same. Fine. Moving to second rule. The second rule is that there is at least one green bead between two blue beads along the same row or column. So there is at least one green between two blue. So at least one green should be there in between two blue beads. Fine. Further, third rule is that there is at least one blue and at least one green bead between any two red beads along the same row or column. So between two red, it is mandatory to have one blue and one green, at least one blue and one green, right? So it can be like we can have multiple blues and greens. So it can be like this also. This is B again and then R. But at least one blue and one green must be there between two red. So these are the three rules. Fine. Now let us move to question part. So the first question is that these are the three rules. Fine. The first question is the total number of possible configuration using beads of only two colors. Now this is very important. Only two colors. Now see, in case we use red color bead, so this case is not possible. Why? Because red color use करने पे we have a condition that there must be at least one blue and one green in between two reds. Fine. तो उस केस में तो हमको तीनों कलर यूज करने पड़ रहे हैं. But in this question we need to use only two color. So from here we can say that we cannot use red color beads. अब हम यदि red नहीं use करते हैं तो we are left with blue and green color beads. So how we can fill this? So B, now since 2B cannot be adjacent to it, has to be a G, then again B, then again G, and then again B, and so on. So like this, we can fill this 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, but there is one more case. We can have G in the first place, in first row and first column. We can have G also. So it would be the arrangement would be like G B G B G then. फाइन. तो हमारे पास दो केसेस हैं. हम ब्लू से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, तब एक अरेंजमेंट आने वाला है, और इनकेस हम ग्रीन से स्टार्ट करते हैं तब भी एक अरेंजमेंट हमें मिल पाएगा. सो फाइनली द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज 2. इन टोटल देयर आर 2 सच अरेंजमेंट्स. फाइन. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन. What is the maximum possible number of red beads that can appear in any configuration? So maximum, we need to maximize the number of red beads. Now the condition, this condition we need to keep in mind. There must be at least one blue and one green in between two red. So let us start with red only as we need to maximize this. So let us start with this only. अब red यहाँ पे रख दिए तो there must be at least one blue and one green between two reds. Fine. Now here also there must be at least one blue and one green between two reds. अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि B भी है तो we cannot keep a B here, but हमको तो R को maximize करना है, तो let us keep an R over here. हमने रेड कलर का बीट यहाँ पर भी रख दिया. So again B and G then R. What I'm trying to do is I am trying to maximize the red color bead. So here we have R. Here we cannot have G because G is adjacent here. So let's place B over here, G, and then again R. So till now, how many R we have already used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. Now we can use an R over here also. This makes the count to 7. R and then B and G. Then R and here it has to be B, here it has to be G, then G and then B, and then we can use an R over here as well. Similarly, एक R को यहाँ पर भी use किया जा सकता है. So now let us try to count the number of R's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the maximum number of red color beads that we can use in the configuration is 9. Fine. Now let us move to third question. What is the minimum number of beads, blue beads in any configuration? Now we want to minimize blue color beads. So again we should use a combination of red, blue and green, all three. क्योंकि यदि हम केवल ब्लू और ग्रीन का कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करते हैं तो हाफ ऑफ द बीड्स वुड बी ऑफ ब्लू कलर. Fine, almost half. So let us try to use this combination R, B, G, and R. Fine. So let us try to fill R over here. Then we have G, then B, then R. Now one place is vacant. So let us fill this with G. As we need to minimize the blue color beads, na, we could have filled a B over here also. But क्योंकि हमको blue को minimize करना है, that's why I have put a G over here. Now R, then it has to be B over here क्योंकि G के adjacent G नहीं आ सकता है. So it has to be G over here. G, B, and then again R. Fine. G, B, then let us place an R over here. Fine. Or further. In fact, we can use an R over here only. Let me erase this. हम यहाँ पर भी R use कर सकते हैं. See, we need to minimize blue. So let us try to maximize R. तो हम R को यहाँ पे भी use कर सकते हैं. In fact, we can use R diagonally. So R can be used here as well, can be used here as well, and can be used here as well. Fine. And here it is R, so it has to be G, then it has to be B, and then R again. Fine. फिर R है यहाँ पे, here it has to be G, then B, and then R. यहाँ पर एक बचा है. We can place any of G or B over here. So we'll place a G, as we need to minimize the blue color beads. Fine. So here we have B, so here it has to be G. तो यहाँ पर B ही आएगा. Here it has to be G only. Again यहाँ पर B है तो यहाँ पर G ही आएगा. Then यहाँ पर G है तो यहाँ पर B रखना पड़ेगा. And here again we have to place a G. Now we need to count the blue beads. So blue bead is 1, and then 2, then we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is the minimum number of blue beads that we can use in any configuration. So answer to this question is 6 beads. Fine. Now moving to next question. In fact, last question of this set. 2 red beads have placed in second row and third column. Now second row. Now this is second row, and third column is this. So here we have placed a red bead, and third row and second column. So this is third row and second column. Here also we have placed a red bead. And now we need to maximize the number of red beads. Now we need to maximize number of red. So R, let it be B, G, and then R. Fine. B, G, or R. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 R till now. अब यहाँ पर R है. Let us try to put an R over here as well. G, B, and then R. So we have R. यहाँ पे भी 2 R मिल गए हमको. B, G, and then we cannot use a B over here. We have to use a G. Fine. तो यहाँ पर हमें G ही use करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर B आएगा. तो R, G, B, and then R. One more R. R, B, G, and then R. One more R. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर B, G जो भी होगा हम R और नहीं ला पाएंगे. Similarly यहाँ पर जो भी होने वाला है B and G हम R और नहीं ला पाएंगे. Here also we cannot use any more R's now. So it has to be G and it has to be a B. So the total number of R that we have used in this configuration is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The total number is 8. Now the question it was asked is how many more red beads can be placed? So 2 are already placed. So how many more can we place? We can place 6 more red beads in the configuration. So this was very easy question in CAT 2020 reasoning section. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.